Is Honda really in the making of a new CBR250RR-R? Recently a leaked brochure, allegedly from Honda Motorcycles Indonesia, have surfaced on the internet. According to the brochure, the bike features a newly developed inline 4-cylinder engine, making around 55 horsepower, along with aggressive styling, similar to the current CBR lineup. The graphics and the overall appearance of the bike is similar to the CBR250RR race spec, made by Honda Japan. Other features according to the brochure include a new chassis, USD forks, new vertical linkage suspension, all LED lighting with hazard lamp, full-color TFT display, and dual-channel ABS. The bike is also rumored to have various rider aids, such as quick shifter, traction control and riding modes, and seemed like a direct competition to the current CX-25R from Kawasaki. However, the leaked images are 3D renders posted by an Instagram account back in June 24 and is now surfacing as the news of launch of a new CBR. So it's safe to say that the rumors are not true and Honda is not in the making of a new inline 4-cylinder CBR250RR-R.